this video, we're going to show you how you can work with dates and pivot tables. So our data set is daily returns on Bitcoin, which probably a lot of you are interested in, going through June 2018. And got this from Yahoo Finance. You can sort of get daily returns on almost anything from Yahoo Finance. Suppose we want to summarize average returns by the quarter of the year itself, or the month of the year. So how do we work with dates and pivot tables? We have daily dates right here. So go Insert, Pivot Table. We'll put it here. And so we might put the date down here. And it's going to show all these things like years, quarters, months, which is really cool. And then we'll put the return here. And we want the average return. So we can do right click, value field settings, average if we want. So there we got the average return by year. And we could put that in a chart, of course. Analyze. Mine says pivot table analyze now with Office 365. And we would want a pivot chart. That's fine. Okay, so there we've got the daily returns were pretty big, and you can see in 2018, not so good. The Bitcoin bubble sort of burst there. Now, if we want to do it for basically quarters, we should probably go to a blank space and we can do Alt DP, and then we can say another pivot table. And that brings us back, okay, we picked that pivot table, and we can get the field list. Okay, so we can do return again, and maybe we want it by months. Okay, so now we want to change that to average, right? So I can double click and do average return. Okay, so that's our average return. Again, we can put a chart in there. So now we have the average return by month. Sort of weird that these are different. I don't know why why February was really good and why September was really bad for Bitcoin. I'm not quite sure of that. And so maybe we want to do this by quarter, so we can go to a blank place. I can do Alt DP, another pivot table report, and it doesn't really matter which one here. I'll say pivot table 4 again. And see, that brings up the field list. And so I guess I want quarters, and I want the return. I won't worry about a chart here. And again, I want that to be average. Sometimes double clicking so I've got average. So it looks like the second quarter of the year was the best. Now let me do one more here. So I may want to know each month during each year, how did Bitcoin do? So then you can drag two fields into the row field, the row part of the window. So then I can go another pivot table. And again, we'll go pivot table 4. Okay, so now I could go years, maybe months, like that. And I can go returns. And again, I got to make that average. But now I've got a lot of information here with in 5 minutes or so from this table here. And I've got lots of good charts to really summarize what happened with Bitcoin.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.